friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today. It's over here. And it's the Gather Together edit. So I just keep doing all their themed edits, basically. I just moved the camera. I don't know when I had just like a regular style edit. So I just keep doing all their themed ones because why not? Let's get into it. We're gonna use our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. If you want to try Wantable, I'm going to leave a link down below. If you use that link, I would get credit, full disclosure. And if you want to learn more about Wantable, there's a description down below as well. I can open the box. They send you 7 items. You keep what you want. I think there's a $20 styling fee per box. If you keep 5 or more items, you get 20% off. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's look at this bundle. I haven't looked at it, so good for me. Let's see. Okay. Oh, looks like we got some jewelry. Here's the bundle so far. There's some like reddish, black, gray, white. There's like a yellow Percy thing in there it looks like, and some jewelry. So, alright, let's get into it. Style for Rachel. Oh, my camera got all wackadoo. The sticker on it says, Style for Rachel. Nice touch. Alright, so they have your invoice with the prices and what they got you on the back. Hi Rachel, so excited you RSVP'd yes to the Gather Together themed edit. It's perfect for everything from family get-togethers, grad parties, and girls' night out, finally. I know you've got places to go and need next level style to match, so I've selected summery, wear now, love later pieces that will make you feel fabulous. I hope you love them. I was thrilled to include some of your requests along with a few others I think are perfect for you. Be sure to try everything on and let me know what you think. Enjoy, Jordan. Thanks, Jordan. And then they send you the mailer to send things back. So first up is the jewelry. Let's see. Oh, pretty. Okay, I think I did request this one on the stream. Wantable has like a stream where there's items and you can be like, decline, request, stuff like that. So it is a gold bar necklace, the moon phase hanging bar necklace in gold. And I don't have any hanging bar necklaces. So if you can see, it kind of has like the different phases of the moon on it. Super pretty. I'm gonna put that on right now. I'm excited. So if nothing else, I'm gonna keep this necklace. You know, because like if you don't find anything you like, you're out that, you know, $20 you spent. Oh, that's really pretty. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Hang on. There we go. It's pretty. It's really solid. Like it's not heavy. I do wish it were maybe a little longer, but I have like chain extenders I can use. All right, so that's pretty. Gonna keep that as long as it's not too expensive. Next we have, oh, that's cute. It's a, what are you? Hello Sunshine pouch in ochre. So it's just a little pouch. It's kind of like felt on the inside. And then it says, Hello Sunshine, right there. So it's really cute. You could fit a lot of stuff in there. Your keys, it's by Katie Loxton, London, it says. It's a really cute color for summer. That's cute. I did just get a new purse from Stitch Fix though, so I don't know if I'll keep this. Probably not, but it is really cute. Alright. Gosh darn. You guys know I'm a sucker for like clothes that have writing on it. I don't do mornings. However, I don't really always do white shirts either. So, oh man, if this were like a different color shirt, I'm just not huge on white shirts because I didn't get them dirty. I have a black dog. It's not gonna work. But I love that because I don't do mornings. But it is cute. It's soft. It's t-shirt. What you gonna do? Next we have, oh, that's cute. You guys, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna keep saying that's cute. So it's just a gray kind of boxy t-shirt with just that kind of pink piping around the collar. I like gray. I like pink. I like boxy. So that's nice. Next! See if my dog will bark. Oh, that's kind of adorable. I feel like this is more of a fall kind of piece, but she did say love now, Live now, love later, something like that. And this is like a long sleeve t-shirt with a floral pattern, kind of blues and oranges, periwinkle. And then it has more of like a gathered sleeve down here with like a cuff. So that would be nice for fall, not gonna lie. Next! Ooh, you're cute. Look at you, you little saucy thing. Okay, so this is just a little black tank top. It's kind of oh, it's very cropped. This would be cute with like skirts and things, or like really high-waisted pants, shorts, whatever. It's like doubly lined. It's really nice. It feels really like really good quality, nice. Nice V-neck. And last but not least, hello, we have a dress. A very wide, wider dress. It says it's an extra large, but oh, okay, so it has kind of like that muscle tank kind of raw edge there, if you can see that without my head. I don't know, it's not gonna focus on it, but it's very soft. Do you have pockets? It has pockets, so that's nice. All right, those are our 7 things. Let's get to trying them on. First up is the dress. So the sleeve, it's more like a dolman-y kind of sleeve. I was like, wow, that's really thick straps. Okay, so it's kind of a dolman, and it does have pockets, but it pulls weird through here, I feel like, so that it goes like right to the pocket. It's kind of strange. I do like the V-neck, I like the color. I do already have a red kind of length dress like this, and this is more like a, it's weird because it's flowy, but it's also kind of like a bodycon, so I don't know. I do know, I'm not going to keep it, but it's just kind of different. It's different, I don't know. So, yeah, not going to keep it, but here's the turn. I don't know. That's turn music, I guess. So, and it really blows me out. The red. Okay, anyway, not going to keep it, but it is really, really soft. So, let's try something else. And here's the tank top. It really does go to like right here. So, I'm wearing it with one of my like skirts. I wear this skirt to work a lot. It's pretty tight. This is pretty tight, but I know it's meant to be more like fitted. Let me see if I'll just tuck like. So I mean, that's a cute look. It is very cute. Here's the back. Super cute. So I could always put this on like for work, make sure it's kind of hiked up a little bit, and put like a cardigan or something on over it too if I wanted, and then seamlessly transition into a night look by taking that said cardigan off. But, you know, it's pretty cute. I don't have anything like fitted like this for a top. So let's try it with some of my shorts too. So 1 second. So here it is with just a pair of like my mom kind of shorts. Let's roll over weird. There we go. I think it's cute. I don't think it, you know, it flattens out the bust too much. I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna keep this one if it's not too pricey. I like the V-neck a lot. I think it's nice. I have a lot of like flowy shorts right now too that I might be cute with. Yeah, so it ends like right here. I think it's cute. Okay, good. All right, let's try on the other two. Two? I don't know, I lost track already. 3, it was 3. I don't do mornings, it's morning right now. So this is really cute, it's really soft. I like the sleeve length, I like the saying. I'm just not crazy about the white. Like, I think the white looks nice, it's just that I know it's gonna get messy. But it is really cute. Alright, so my husband would be like, yeah, you don't do mornings. I don't. It's cute. Here it is untucked if you want to see the length. It's like a regular t-shirt. Like honestly, I could go get a t-shirt, you know, from Walmart, Target, plain whatever, and then get some iron-ons and do this, you know, in a color that I like. But it's cute. Okay, next two for sure now. Here's the long sleeve. It looks a little strange wearing a long sleeve with shorts, but I guess you never know what the day is going to bring you weather-wise. It is really cute. I like the sleeves. I like when there's a little bit of balloonishness going on and then tighter at the wrists. I think this is called like a raglan top. It does have the seam right here. I think it's more of a fall piece right now, and I'm going to continue to get these boxes through fall, so I don't really need a long sleeve shirt right now. But it is cute. It's soft. I like it. I don't dislike it. It's cute. Just not for right now. Okay, let's do the last top. Here's our last top. I like the pink around the collar. It has kind of like a drop, a little bit of a drop shoulder right there. And it's nice and boxy, which is good for tucking in right here, and it just defines your waist. This is the kind of shirt I like right now. You know, in this moment in time, this is what I like. Do I like this shirt more than I like the black one? The black one is for a very specific look, I feel like. And this is more like cash, can go with anything kind of thing. So, okay, I like it. Here's the length, kind of just floats right above there. Here's the back. I like the sleeve length. I love that little pop of pink right there. Very cute. All right, let's go over the prices. What am I doing with my hands? I'm just gonna leave this shirt on because it's really comfy. My chair always does that. It just sinks right down. Okay, first up, good prices. Good prices. Okay, the floral raglan sleeve pullover in floral print XL by Lila P. It was originally $54, but it's on sale for $27. So good price for that. The Bloom Relaxed Dress in Scarlet Red by MPG Sport, $55. And then the Fitted V-Neck Tank in Black by Lauren Helena, $38. The Hello Sunshine Pouch in Ochre by Katie Loxton, $29. That was really cute. I Don't Do Mornings Loose Tee in White by 78 and Sunny, $38. So, no. The Boxy Tee in Gray Frost / Coral LT Piping is by Wantable, so their brand. Originally $42, but it's on sale for $20. Keeping her. And the Moonface Hanging Bar Necklace in Gold is $38 by Sterling Forever. So, math. 38 and 38 is, so 30 and 30 is 60, 8 and 8 is 16, so $76 plus $20 is $96. I think I do have credit. Let's see. I think I have credit. Anyway, I think I have credit. So $96 for those three things. I might not keep the black top just because I don't think I would wear it as much with what's left of summer. Yes, it could transition into other seasons. I have some decisions to make. So this one, black top, bar necklace, is what's up for grabs by me. So I got some thinking to do. But if you guys want to try Wantable, I'll leave my link down below, like I said. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. And thank you guys so much for watching. I have to go to work now. So thank you guys, and I will see you next time.